In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete or uninstall apps using PowerShell command on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So this method will work in both versions of Windows. Open Windows PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select as administrator. Now here guys, you need to type this first command. You comment, so I will give in description. So edit and paste. You can write it this command, then press enter. Once you type this command, you will get a list of applications package name which is installed on your Windows PC or laptop. Now to remove and delete uninstall any application, you need to copy this package name. So in my case, I want to remove this application. Select it, Control C. Now we will use this second command to remove it. So after get apex package, here before this vertical line, type that package name. So in my case, I want to remove this application and I copy this name from here. So type exact package name which you want to uninstall before vertical line. Now copy this. Here scroll down. Now right click on this top bar, edit and paste it. So it will look like this. Get apex package. Now your application's name, vertical line with space after space, remove hyphen apex package, then press enter. Now wait for a few seconds. Now exit and restart your system. So this is the method you can delete and uninstall apps using PowerShell command. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.